Think of the circle of fifths like a map for music. It helps you understand which keys are related, which chords sound good together, and why certain songs just feel like they work. Let's start right here in the middle of the idea. At the very top, we have C major. Why C? Because C major is the easiest key. No sharps, no flats. Now here's where the circle starts doing something cool. If you move clockwise, each step goes up by something called a fifth. Don't overthink that word. It just means counting up 5 notes. So C goes to G, G goes to D, D goes to A goes to E, and every time you move one step clockwise, you add one sharp. That's the pattern. Move right equals more sharps. Now go the other direction. If you move counterclockwise, you start adding flats instead. C goes to F, F goes to B flat goes to E flat, and each step adds one flat. So here's the shortcut. Right side equals sharps, left side equals flats. That alone already makes this chart way less scary. By the way, this interactive circle of fifths is from the Harmono piano app. You can play with it if you want, and you can also find chords, scales, progressions library, plus sight reading lessons there. Honestly, it's a really useful resource if you're learning piano or music theory. Now let's talk about the inside ring. You'll notice every major key has a partner sitting right inside it. These are called relative minors. Fancy name, simple idea. They use the same notes, but they sound completely different. For example, C major and A minor share the exact same notes. No sharps, no flats, same ingredients, different mood. Happy-ish versus emotional-ish. Now here's one of the coolest things about the circle. Keys that sit next to each other are usually best friends, meaning their chords naturally sound good together. That's why musicians use this circle to write chord progressions and songs. If two keys are neighbors on the circle, there's a good chance they'll sound good together.